Hi everyone, it is so good to see you back on the channel. I hope you're all doing fantastic today. Wait, did we just kill the SIM card? Oh, I'm standing in a complete dead zone with 0 cell towers in sight, but I still have 5G speeds. How is that possible? Well, your smartphone just officially became a satellite phone. Today, we're looking at the tech that is making cell towers obsolete in 2026. As an IT professional, I've been tracking this direct-to-cell tech for a while. We aren't talking about those bulky satellite bricks from the 90s. In 2026, the new NTN, where Non-Terrestrial Network standards, have finally hit the mainstream. Your phone is now communicating directly with satellites using the same frequency as a standard tower. The packet magic. We are seeing seamless handoffs between ground towers and satellites. The latency. It's gone from emergency text only to full HD video calls from the middle of the ocean. Why is this the most unique tech shift this year? Because the dead zone is officially dead. Whether you're a developer pushing code from a remote cabin, or just someone caught in a storm where the power goes out, your connectivity is now guaranteed by the sky. We are moving toward a world where searching for service is a phrase our kids won't even understand. So, is your current phone ready for the satellite era, or are you stuck in 2024? This shift is changing everything from hardware design to how we pay for data. I want to know, what's the one place you've been where you wished you had a signal? Tell me your no-signal horror stories in the comments. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.